I have this farm to table sign I got from the Dollar Tree. It's adorable as is, so if you want this sign, go grab it at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to flip it over and just give it a little makeover. On the back side, I painted it in Wise Owl Snow Owl. I'm okay with some of the cardboard peeking through, so I do not need full coverage. At the top, there was some ribbon hanging from the wooden stick, and I just pulled the ribbon off of the back side. I have the letters E, A, and T. These do have a wood grain. I cannot remember where I got them from, but I want to just paint on top of them with the Wise Owl Higgins Lake. I cut this rolling pin. I know I've seen something like this at the Dollar Tree. I will have them available on our webpage if you want this exact one. I took the ribbon that was on the original sign, and I just took the one piece and I cut it in half to make it a little thinner, and then I glued it so it's hanging from the ends of the rolling pin. And then I'm going to glue the ribbon onto the hanging sign. Now there is leftover glue from where the ribbon was previously glued on, but we're going to cover that up. I gave it a top coat of more Snow Owl to cover some of the glue parts. And then I took the original hanger and I'm going to glue that using hot glue and put it across the top of the sign. And that's going to help hide the glue. I'm going to take my word eat and I'm going to put it down my sign more to the left side. I'm just adding hot glue to the back. I believe these had a sticky film on the back side, but I just went ahead and glued them. I have 2 half beads I painted in Wise Owl Black, and I'm going to glue them on the left and one on the right. I have a little heart that I painted in Higgins Lake as well. And then I'm going to glue that into the center of the rolling pin. You could really add anything to the center. You can even add a stencil. I have a plastic fork, knife, and spoon, and I'm just going to take a good spray paint and spray paint them black. Once they are dry, I'm then going to glue them onto my sign, starting with the fork, knife in the middle, and the spoon on the end. I'm using this large popsicle stick to just help me keep everything nice and even. And then I'm adding hot glue to the back of the plastic to adhere the plastic wear to my sign. Now, of course, you can use E6000. This will be staying inside, so the hot glue should be just fine. Now, I love the matte finish. You can certainly leave it like this, but I had to take some of my gilding decor wax, and I'm going to rub it over the black spray paint. And it almost gives it a tarnished look. I took a little bow and I placed it in the top right, and I just think this came out adorable. I really hope you enjoyed it. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, mesh stencils, wood cutouts can all be found at chalkitupfancy.com. Have a great day.